Hello everyone. So for today I figured we could make a ripped pocket. This one I made as a sample, and then this goes over top because I am making a Muppets themed journal right now. So here are some papers that I can use for this project. I'm going to cut these down a little bit here. So I want these to be a certain width, and I just want to see. Alright, so I'm going to be cutting off this part from this. Use this for another thing, and it was very off, so I'm going to fix that. Alright. 4.5. And this one we'll cut down to 4.5. And I'm just gonna cut off my pieces here. Got that done. Now I find this paper being kind of flimsy, so I am going to take some regular paper here and glue these on to the regular paper. If you find your paper flimsy, this is my recommendation on how to handle it. For me, this works well. You could use wet glue, but that's going to make it not as straight. And I don't recommend using double-sided tape for this because you are going to be ripping these. So and it don't really matter if it's straight or not, because again, you're going to be cutting around it. Sorry if that was a brief interruption there, but battery died. So now I'm going to cut around these. There we go with that one. And then we're gonna do this one. All right. Oops. Really not straight. Okay. I'm grabbing this just to straighten it out a little bit here, because I really did not have that very straight. Okay. Which means this one needs to be straightened out a little bit too. All right. So a piece like that, and then honestly, what I do next is glue this down on it. If you want that perfect look going, this is how I do it, because otherwise I'm going to rip where I don't want it ripped. So, there we go. Alright, and then I could take easily something like this and glue that on, or do the same to this side, because I want her face to still be visible, but at the same time, let's make it 3 layers. Alright, and if you want it to have that detail and you forgot to distress like this to it, you can always take a piece of paper and do it that way. It isn't very difficult to take a piece of paper and rub it against it. There. So now it has that layered, ripped look. Now this one, I want the little boy showing, but I'm going to have this be the top. like this. And I am going the opposite way with this one. So that ripped piece, this ripped piece here, and I think this ripped right here, or do I want to use this one backwards? I think I want to use the other one. So again, I'm just taking a digital. I finally remembered where I got this digital from, and it is from Antique Paperie. I really love her work. Not sure if she's still selling or not, honestly. I did buy this quite a few years ago. I'll admit to that. I bought this series, yeah, a long time ago, but she is one of the well-knowns for digitals. I just think it's fun to take digitals, take any kind of digital that you have, or scrapbook paper. If you have scrapbook paper, you don't have to do the paper in back method, but if you don't have scrapbook paper, this is a great way to use your copy paper. Or you could do it in cardstock too. I just didn't print these off in cardstock. So again, and then I have my two pockets, one for one page and one for the other page, and they go together perfectly then. And I personally don't like to go off and add designs to these types of pages just because they're already designed. You really don't need to. So let's take another piece, and I know this lady is still around. I was actually a part of her design team at one point, but I no longer am a part of her design team. So I have these sheets and stuff, and I personally love her work when it comes down to this stuff, but at the same time, yeah, she don't really like the way I create, which is fine. She ain't into my style. That's okay. Everybody has their own style. I like that vintagey look. So again, I'm cutting it at 4.5. I'm going to cut off the whites on these quick. Here's our piece of paper here. Again, I like to use my old book page in any way I can, and sometimes that's just by backing copy paper to make it work for what I'm using it for. but this is Artsy Stampers digital kit, one of her digital kits. Again, she makes some beautiful art, some beautiful digital stamps and everything. It ain't my perfect thing, as I said. Not everybody likes everything the same. Right?
Mom.
What?
I want something to eat.
You want something to eat? What's that supposed to mean?
That
Is.
is you.
I like these two pieces. I don't really care for them. So I'm not going to have them a part of this. Again, I'm just distressing this part. And I'm doing the same with this one. And there we go. We got another pocket. And again, this can be anything you want. These I think I'm just going to throw in my drawer here. But, so we made a total of 3 pockets today. I hope you enjoyed this lovely little tutorial of making some torn pages pockets. And enjoy the rest of your day or night. Bye.